Hi, my name is Kimatina. This screencast will show you how to manage your email notifications in Google Classroom. So every time you are enrolled in a class or if you teach a class, you're going to receive email notifications by default. That's always on within Google Classroom. So in order for you to manage those notifications, you have to click on the three-line menu and scroll all the way down to the bottom to this settings option. And in here, you're going to have the power to customize a lot of different settings. So this top one here, receive email notifications, that's a global setting. That's going to affect all of your classes that you're enrolled in or if you teach. So if you turn that off, you're not going to receive any notifications from any class. So I don't recommend that you do that, but the option is there. If you leave that enabled or on, then you can customize the type of notifications that you get by turning on and off um, these specific tasks. Okay, so if you want to get email notifications when students post comments, then you can leave that on. If you want to get notifications when students post private comments, then you can leave that on as well. So that's a preference. Okay. The next thing that you can do is you can turn specific notifications on and off for specific classes, which is great. So if I click on this little down arrow here in the class notification area, now I'm going to be able to toggle on and off email notifications for specific classes. Okay, now if I have these emails, this enabled, then whatever I have set above it in this notification area, those are the email notifications that I will receive for the classes that are on. Okay, so keep that in mind. This is definitely going to be an area where you're going to want to um, look into and customize so that your inbox doesn't get flooded with email notifications. I hope you found this screencast helpful.